Dynamox has a new tool to massively manage your asset park through a visual and integrated management. With DynaNeo, you can easily understand if your asset has a monitoring point with vibration or temperature alerts, if sensitive inspections are indicating any criticality, or if any equipment reports have been resolved. All this information is summarized in a card, which was designed to unify and facilitate management. You can give even more cohesion to the information by linking different assets together, thus indicating the way your process works as a whole. This way, it is easy to observe the dependency between the assets and to plan maintenance shutdowns. In addition, DynaNeo has some data aggregators that facilitate your analysis and help you make quick decisions. For more detailed information and specific analysis, the Machine Viewer and Spot Viewer screens are just a few clicks away from this dashboard. With all the information on a single screen, managing all the relevant assets for your process is getting easier every day.